Next one. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to remove your activity and conversations from Google Gemini. Whether you want to wipe a single awkward prompt or clear your entire history in 2026, managing your privacy is actually pretty simple once you know where to look. So let's get right into it. First, you should use the web method if you are on a computer. Go to gemini.google.com and look at the left side menu for the activity icon. It looks like a little clock with an arrow around it. Once you are in the Activity Center, you have total control. You can delete specific items by clicking the X next to an individual question, or you can hit the Delete button at the top to clear everything from the last hour, the last day, or select All Time for a complete digital scrub. Next, you can handle the same cleanup directly from your phone. Open the Gemini app or the Gemini tab in the Google app on your Android or iPhone and tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Gemini Apps Activity from the menu. Just like on the web, you can scroll down to find individual entries to delete or use the Delete menu to wipe entire periods of time. This is the fastest way to stay on top of your privacy while you are on the go. Then you should decide if you want to stop Google from saving your future chats altogether. In that same activity section, look for the Gemini Apps Activity toggle. You can switch this to Disable to prevent new conversations from being stored in your history. A pro tip for 2026 is to set up auto delete for 3, 18, or 36 months. This way, Google handles the shredding for you in the background, so your history never gets too cluttered. Finally, keep in mind a very important security note. Even if you disable your activity saving, Google still keeps your conversations for a maximum of 72 hours for safety and service improvements. They won't appear in your history during this time, but they exist on the back end briefly to ensure the AI is behaving correctly. If you want to go a step further, you can also opt out of the Gemini Improvement Program in your settings to prevent human reviewers from ever seeing snippets of your anonymized data. And that is it. Your AI history is now as private as you want it to be. If this data clearing guide helped you secure your account today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2026 tech and security tutorials. See you in the next one.